Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're joining me for this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is going to be an unboxing, rather an unenveloping, of a package I received from my good friend Kevin over at Fountain Pen Revolution. He reached out to the Penboy the other day and said, "I'd like you to review some of my new updated stuff." I said, okay. So he sent out this package without telling me what was inside. So it's going to be a fun and entertaining surprise for both myself and you guys. Now, before I get started with that, let me just remind you guys to check out my sponsor, Pen Chalet, over at penchalet.com. And make sure to use coupon code GOODWORDS at checkout to score yourself extra discounts on all your purchases at the Pen Chalet website. Also, don't forget to check out the PenBoyRoy Pentertainment Podcast, available on your favorite podcasting apps. Just be forewarned, it's not for children. You have been warned. So this is how your typical package from Fountain Pen Revolution comes. It doesn't come in any fancy boxes or anything like that, so he likes to cut costs so that way he can give you guys affordability. I'm going to take my trusty scissors here. I'm going to cut open the box. I'm really excited because I don't know what's in here. Inside is this padded envelope. Let's just dump everything out. Okay, so we have some paperwork here. Let me just read this off screen real quick, just in case there's inappropriate jokes. Hold on, there's a handwritten note. It says, "Howdy, Roy. Thanks for taking a look at these samples. Give me a holler if you have any questions about them. Peace, Kevin." Like it. And then here is what looks like paper with what's inside the package. So we have ink, we have a Jaipur V2 Ultra Flex, and we have a quick draw magnetic cap pen. Okay, so let's take a look. We have here this fountainpenrevolution.com, fprevolutionusa.com website paper. This is something new. He didn't used to have this, but he does now, so it's like a revamped company. I think he has a brick and mortar store too. So there's that. Let's put this off to the side. We have Fountain Pen Revolution sticker. Okay, I like stickers. That's cool. We have this ink, which I think might have leaked just a touch during shipping. That, or that's just an idea of what color it is, but I don't think that's the case because why would you put that on a brown box? Right? I'm not sure. But here's some ink. Fountain Pen Revolution Mardi Gras, 30 milliliters. I like it. All right, let's take off this luxurious rubber band. And inside this paper is, okay, we have an acrylic pen. This one looks like it is a piston filler. Okay, so the blind cap comes off. You can actuate the piston filler. Okay, not too shabby. You got your stainless steel nib. It's the version 2 Flex, so it has these scallops cut out. You have an ebonite cut feed. It's a nice looking acrylic. There's the piston. Got to make sure you don't lose this thing every time you fill it. Okay, let's see how many rotations. About 1 3/4, which I think is decent. I like it. All right, and then we have a metal pen. Looks like it's metal. This one looks like this one has a magnetic cap, it seems. Not too shabby. And this one looks like it has an FPR branded nib, cheapy plastic feed. This one is going to be cartridge converter filled. Comes with a converter. Okay, good call on that. So this is just an unboxing. This is not a review yet. I will be reviewing these. That was the unboxing of my Fountain Pen Revolution haul. So thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well. Be safe.